CRM. What is it? We already know what it stands for. It stands for Customer Relationship Management. But what does that really mean? And who is it really for? Is it for maybe someone like this in our sales department? Or maybe it's used for someone else, another department, such as customer service. Or maybe we've extended it just a little bit further and we use it in our marketing department. The fact of the matter is, CRM isn't just for 1, 2, or 3 departments. It can literally be used for anybody. We believe that if you have customers, you need CRM, so that every day when you go to work, you're not frustrated and looking for your customer information or data. But more so, when you go to work, you look like this, and you feel in control of your customer information and maybe even love your job. But I guess the question is how? How do we make this all possible? So let's start from the top. Let's look at the thing that matters the most, our customer data. How is it currently being filed? Is it in a filing cabinet in an organized folder structure? Or maybe we now use the Rolodex that sits on our desks. Or maybe we've evolved into the floppy disk era. Or maybe we've taken it a step further and we now use our computers or laptops and we use a software called Excel. But let's step back and answer the bigger question here. Where is all of this data stored and kept? Is it on Billy's laptop from sales? Or maybe it's on Karen's desktop from marketing. But then what do we do when Billy decides that he wants to go on vacation and Billy's decided to cruise the Caribbean? Or what if Karen decides she wants to take the day off for her yoga classes? Where can we find this data now? And how long does it take your staff to locate the right customer information? So what if? What if Jim in customer service needs important customer information from Karen's boss, Amy, in marketing? And what if Amy in marketing needs to communicate with Billy's boss, Joe, in sales to compile a report for the senior executives? How are these departments communicating? And more importantly, how are they staying connected for their customer data? So let's think for a second, or let's dream if we will. Let's think that everything was readily available to us at the simple click of a button. Let's dream that everything was available in one area, something we like to call one central database. So you're probably thinking that I'm about to start explaining some kind of tech-savvy software, but that's not the case. We're looking for something simple and easy, and what we're looking for is CRM. So with CRM, you get a 360-degree view of all of your customer data, allowing you to analyze, monitor, and understand each of your customers. So by bringing on CRM, you don't have to worry about Billy's vacations or Karen's yoga classes or sick days, because Billy and the rest of your sales team would have kept everything in organized pipelines within CRM and have remote access. So when Joe has a question, he can take a look at their pipelines and have the answers ready. And when Karen decides that she wants to go for a yoga class, we know her information is in a central database and it's accessible to all departments. So when Amy has any questions from other departments, she can answer them. So if you're asking yourself, why CRM? We're asking you, why not? Contact BAS today to turn your CRM dreams into a reality.